The Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the ocean and the planet. Its deepest point, Challenger Deep, is about 36,000 feet, nearly 11,000 meters, below sea level. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. At those depths, the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at the surface. Yet, life still exists there. Strange creatures like amphipods, snailfish, and even bacteria thrive in complete darkness, freezing temperatures, and crushing pressure. Despite how remote it is, scientists have found microplastics down there, showing how far human impact has reached. The ocean's depths are still mostly unexplored, like a final frontier right here on Earth. Milky Way wave.